I'm waiting for my ride. He just texted he's a bit late.
Sorry we're late, sir.
What is that?
Good morning.
Good morning. Does it make this funny sound when you drive slowly?
This one?
Yeah.
The bluegrass? Yeah. It's to warn off the pedestrians.
Nice. Look at this. Door pockets.
Look at that, door pockets.
It is so quiet.
Oh, it's an electric car.
Is it?
Fancy that.
This button here.
All done with that, yep.
Yeah.
So that's your park.
Yeah, right. Then we
Drive.
dial it. Yeah.
Yep, neutral or reverse. And then this is the active cruise control
that's with the
MG
stock.
Pilot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right.
So you can twist this and it pushes that little arrow out. That's
Oh yeah, that's the distance.
your distance from the car in front to change your speed.
We'll test this right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Is this your first long ride on the car now?
Oh, I drive it to Toowoomba daily for work.
Oh, right. So it's a boring drive, actually.
It's my daily drive.
Yes.
So it's actually essentially driving itself. So if I set the speed by pressing that, so I've set it to 100, and that is actually keeping its lane and it's slowing down for the vehicle in front.
Yes.
If I indicate, the pilot goes off until I get into the next lane. And as soon as I stop indicating, it will pick up the lanes.
Oh, okay.
The lanes turn blue on either side.
Yeah.
And now it's essentially driving itself again.
Yeah.
So it will go around this corner.
Yeah, just by itself then. Yeah.
By itself.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is electric. Kingswood. No, I don't think Holden made electric Kingswoods.
No. And does it nag you from time to time as well then?
It will if you don't. Yeah, if you don't.
It needs a bit of force on the steering wheel from time to time then.
Yeah. So at the moment there's nothing.
Yeah.
And it will after a couple of seconds.
Yeah. It realizes you're not.
Yep. There it goes.
Yeah.
And then it gets more and more persistent.
Yes. Yeah. Until it stops.
That's it.
Have you tried it?
I haven't seen what it does when you get to that point.
Right.
I probably would like to do that on a country road sometime.
Yeah. Just let it run and keep your hands off and see what happens.
I hope it stops.
It will stop. Yeah, I think it will stop.
Because if you had a heart attack or something happened in a car.
That's right. Yeah.
Then you'd certainly want that to happen.
Yeah.
Here is your power flow. So at the moment it's using 20% of its of its potential motor power.
Yeah.
So obviously the more that goes up, the more power you're using. You see it drop down there. We're coming down a slight hill. We're now using 10. We're about to go up a slight hill, so it's going up slightly.
Yep.
And then if you go down a really decent hill, it will actually go into the negatives and it starts regenning back.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So anything below zero is regen.
Yeah. Right. That's it. You turn it off and on.
Yeah. I guess
does it say start engine? No, start stop. In some cars it does.
Yeah. Brake on and press it. I'll show you. It takes you through boot up cycle.
Yeah. Right.
And then it says ready, so that you can ready to drive.
Yeah.
And if I turn it off, if I don't put my foot on the brake when I press the button, then it just takes you into accessory mode. Turns
it's
on
like
the
the
radio.
ignition on in the good old cars, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Nice.
I guess the other thing that you don't get in this, which you get on a Tesla, is a security system and a dash cam. So
yeah, I've seen you've got the dash cam there.
Added, I haven't wired it in yet, but I've got it mounted, and this is a front and back system with a button to capture anything that's happened the last 2 or 3 minutes if you see an accident, so it locks it.
So we have arrived.
We have.
Well guys, this was my first ride in the MG ZS EV. Very nice and smooth ride, much smoother than in the Model 3, I tell you that. Suspensions are superb in here, very nice, very quiet. Probably the same as in the Model 3, but yeah, I like it, I really like it.
Okay, mate.
It's not electric, huh?
It's not electric.
No.
Look, here's a Tesla.
Look at this guy, IT help.
Yeah.
Huh? Tesla, and there are more. So we are now in Toowoomba here at the Cop & Co Museum. This is the Electric Vehicle and E-Bike Expo. Is that right? Something like this, yeah?
Sounds like it.
So they are showcasing here electric vehicles, all kinds of electric vehicles, and have some information workshops inside there. So we're just going around and have a look what's going on. Oh, he's got a tow bar. Jeez, look at these wheels here.
Oh, really?
Model X will do it.
285.
Very cool.
11.5 on the track. That's Luke's car. But of course, lots of Teslas here. And the Kona Electric. Ah, he's got the sticker already on there. Pop riveted. I lost Hamish somewhere. That's the first Kia e-Niro I'm seeing here in Australia. And the guy from the dealership just told me it's available here in Australia now. That's a pretty nice car. Good reviews everywhere. And the Mercedes EQC. Look at this display there, huh? Nice.
It's like all this in the early days from Apple. They don't get their act together. Yeah, they're just getting better and better. But now I think the thing is give an exercise is what we can do. Yeah. And they've done it. And there's no way.
Look at this guy. Well, he just told me the iMEV they have replaced the batteries with. I did this video a couple of months back. It does at 246 kilometers now. It's ready running, and it was here this morning. I think it is somewhere here. Well, we'll have a look if you can find it and see what the experience is with this car actually. I'm keen to hear 240 kilometers. It was like 70, 80 kilometers before with the old battery, and now 246. It's coming. I haven't been inside looking at the workshops actually. It's just too much going on. I know too many people here. Didn't come far. Hey, that didn't take long to lose you.
We
just arrived here and then he was gone. You know these guys.
Yeah.
18650s here.
Yeah. Good pouch stuff.
And your brake. Bolt, you know.
Oh,
Don't
really?
see,
Someone's imported
yeah,
a
don't
Bolt?
see them often here in Australia.
I haven't seen one
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah.
Look at that. You know, the Holden connection didn't bring them in.
No, that's right. Yeah. There's only a few.
Model S.
See you next time, Luke. See ya. Thanks.
Hook some generator stuff on.
Yeah, why wouldn't you?
And a plug.
Yeah, car charger. Okay, we are heading back down to the valley now. Yeah, we didn't come too far because I know too many people here in this electric vehicle car scene now. And I got stuck right away, lost Hamish and Finn. Lots of cars have already their little sticker. The sticker, before I forget. Oh, yeah, I've got the stickers for you here.
Oh, thank you,
your
sir.
Personal EV stickers.
Lovely. Thank you very much. I'll be able to put them on my new number plates when they arrive.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
No worries.
So we're at the top of the Toowoomba range. We've got 155 kilometres, and as you can see here, it's actually in regen because it's below zero.
Below zero, yeah.
So we'll just see what happens when we get to the bottom of the range, and
Charging the vehicle now.
See, we've already gone up a kilometre, but it was probably sitting on a half.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
it's probably 155 and a half.
That's a 1.6 kilometer downhill slope now here. Fairly steep. You guys know this from my other videos here with the PHEV and the Teslander. We've driven this many, many times. Woo! We can get her outside. Yeah. 158, 3 kilometers gained. Finally got time to film because I don't need to drive. 59.
Till the battery's empty.
I'll leave it in the bush somewhere then.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. See ya.
Bye
Bye.
See you, Andy.
Thanks for the lift.
Thank you.
No problem at all.
Thanks for suggesting
Now
it.
this is the handle here.
Twice. Pull it twice. Yeah.
Oh.
It's to trick people who want to get out.
Stop people from getting out here.
That's
Huh?
it. See you, mate.
All right. Thank you very much. See you later.
Ciao.
Bye bye. There it is. The MG ZS EV. All right, and we are back home. I must say the ride in this MG is very, very smooth. The suspensions are better than in the Model 3, I would say. Model 3 is very hard, very sporty. This is more SUV style here, so you really, yeah, it's softer. It's nicer to drive, actually, in my age at least. Yeah, I guess this is the video for today, guys. Thanks for watching as always. Thanks for all your support here on the channel. Thanks to all my Patreons here for supporting the channel, even financially, keeping the show running. Even there are not too many videos anymore, but from time to time we are making things like this. All right, guys, what's going on here? Huh? What's going on here? Yes. As always, guys, stay charged, stay safe, and we shall see us again in one of the next videos coming out very soon here from the channel, from the Unplugged EV channel with the Teslander.